preventive and curative both.
Excellent.
But Harry, I'm telling you, now I feel meditation is more than medication.
Yes, excellent. Very great. Very great to hear.
I'm convinced
Correct,
about
sir.
it. I'm searching for the right word. You can give me suggest some name.
Sure, sir.
I give. Meditation is medication? No, it is more than medication.
Yes, correct.
You think over and suggest some right. We have to do 10, 15 days.
Sure, sir.
And mind you, let us go around the world.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, directly from my office, about 50,000 people whom I know, who knows me, and many interns sending, for example, World Bank, IMF, they circulated about 3,000 top people.
Correct. 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 Correct.
So I want to let people know that I wrote to them telling now people, yoga means people think it's only Hatha Yoga.
Correct.
Yogasanas. Popular way, you see, yoga means they do physical exercises, which is very important, no doubt. The yoga studios and all that in West also, they teach you how to do asanas and all that for your physical fitness and all that. But actually, the essential part of yoga is also pranayama and meditation.
Correct, sir.
So when I asked Modi ji before he became just 10 days before, I said, how do you handle both these things? Being a
Yes.
chief minister of the state and also going to campaign to be the prime minister of the country, the opposite party. You have to traveling all the time. Where will you find the energy and time to do this plus pieces?
Yeah, this is my question is also there. I'm sorry to interrupt in the middle. Yeah, this
Okay,
is
you
my
can-
question is that.
Madam, you can split it into. You can insert your question somewhere and then incorporate
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah. Same thing, sir.
I want to complete whatever I want to say.
Yes,
Great,
yes, yes,
great.
yes. Please, sir.
And
Please.
you can comfortably split it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Continue, sir.
He said, 10-minute meeting. It's
Ah.
world. All these ministers also know. My good friend NSA, Ajit Doval also knows this, shared with him. He said, 10-minute meeting with him because I am the advisor of the, you know, ambulance
Sir.
system.
Sir.
It's called 108.
Sir, sir.
We run about 11,000 ambulances today.
Correct.
Okay, Gujarat had about say 800 ambulances.
Yes, sir.
It's a very favorite project of Chief Minister Narendra Modi. In that connection, I used to meet him once in a way. And 10-minute meeting went on 1.5 hours at his instance.
Oh, great.
I asked him all questions against him.
Excellent.
He
Excellent.
explained everything. So
Yes.
at the end of that, I asked him, only what is relevant here. I said, where will you find the energy in that time?
Hmm.
Campaign for prime ministership and also chief president. He said, I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. 90 minutes of yoga, pranayama, dhyana, meditation.
Excellent.
That I don't start the day. I've been doing it from younger days.
Wonderful.
I just don't know what fatigue is. He said, you come at 10 o'clock in the night, you will see me in home office or in the touring in the villages. I quoted this even before it became PM. I written about it. Okay. So when I go to management schools and convocation and all that, when I say, they say, sir, where is the time? We work so hard. Where is the time for this? I said, are you busy? Are you busier than Narendra Modi? I think today he does it. That's how you see him never tired, all the time moving around the world.
Correct.
And the first charge is 90 minutes is for your health.
Correct.
Health of the body, mind, and the spirit.
True.
Isn't it so? So
Correct.
that's why. So I tell them yoga, Dr. Nagendra, for example, Chandra of the Vivekananda Yoga University.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir. I said, yoga means people think only you are great service you have done for yoga. But people don't think of importance of pranayama and meditation. So I want to focus this lecture only on meditation. By
Correct.
itself it's so substantial. In which I am prepared, I got some already inputs from some people. I want to take from all traditions, do some research. All traditions, all times. Then to
Yes,
let it know, because it goes to reaches about more than 100,000 people I know,
Correct.
totally, including people who matter. And
Yes, sir.
so that's why these few months have made me realize the value of meditation as such. And the
Oh.
simplest form of meditation. Others are equally valid, but it takes time. Here anybody can do. So I asked Patriji, I said, he said, you at least attended Vipassana all 7 days. I said, I ran out of the place after 1 day. He said, because, it's tough to go through that, You can't talk to people one here. But you do see this man's intelligence. If
True.
the first day itself they teach you Anapanasati.
Correct.
For 3 days they teach. He could pick up and then realized it, developed it, experimented on himself. He said, this is enough.
Yes,
You
sir.
don't have to go through the entire program. It's enough for any person. A man on the street, a scholar, educated person, whatever it is, having realized it out of compassion for others. Here again, compassion of Buddha, compassion of Guruji, Satyananda Goenkaji. This master also said, what I got, I should spread it to others.
Very good, very good.
I appreciate him. He went again door to door, village after village in Andhra Pradesh, he spread it. Anapanasati meditation. Then today, particularly after these 6 months, it is reached all corners of the world now.
Yes, sir. True.
In between, he used to travel so much, non-stop travel. He was not well for some time. I told Patriji, you can't travel like this. You have to preserve your body also.
Yeah, I heard from you.
He said, I listened to you and he took some rest. Now I tell him, today you don't have to travel. Sitting at home, you can reach the world.
Yes, yes.
I used to travel just to address 300 people, 400 people,
Correct.
and sensible expenditure.
Correct.
Now sitting, I'm only letting my name telling it's good for you. People follow.
Yes, sir.
Without
heard
travel, like what you're doing now. I told Patriji, now you don't travel, you don't have to sit at home and each point. So then the pyramids where he came, pyramid power of the pyramids also spreading. About 20,000 pyramids have been built, small and big.
Yes. Yes, sir.
All that, Dr. Hari, I'm speaking to someone who knows much more than me on this subject.
It is
I
very good to hear
I
from you.
say something, so I have to take the liberty of.
Great to hear from you, sir.
Yeah, somebody from me outside. Yes, people have value when I say something.
Correct. Correct.
Yes. And I have no hesitation because they all know, all the great masters also know I'm promoting it because they know very well. I must say it with all the spiritual organizations. I don't compare, Hari. I don't compare methods. I don't compare masters. Who am I?
True.
Who am I to sit in judgment? I know so little.
Everyone has their own flavor.
I don't compare masters. They're all doing great work in their own way, but different type of people need different techniques. But I promote it because it's the simplest form of meditation. Anyone can follow. I've seen people in 7 days how they're sharing it. People getting rid of their mental illnesses, physical illnesses, harmony between the body, mind, and soul of the individual first.
Correct.
People create harmony within the family and then society and all that, So as they say in Brahma Kumari, they say the world peace can start only with individual peace.
Correct. True.
If I can't keep peace within myself, where is the question of my spreading peace to the family and the world?
Correct.
So the technology of getting peace within yourself is this wonderful system, Anapanasati meditation. Other methods are equally good, but I found this to be the simplest, so I have no hesitation in endorsing and promoting it.
Wonderful to hear, sir.
Yes.
And
so that you can question me beyond that.
yeah,
Sir, I got so many answers without asking you questions, sir.
I think
Right
you are
now.
welcome to split them in question and answers.
yeah, we will do it. We will do that, sir. Huh? Sir, just to give a small break to you, as you said, because you said I stopped using insulin. So mind has influence over the matter. Just we'll do a small exercise, Sudhaji. Keep your fingers like this for the viewers. के लिए, yes. One finger move towards front and this one back. Do it simultaneously. Try to do it. Is it possible to do simultaneously? This one to the front and this one to the back. Is it possible?
No, sir.
From this, yes, you're rightly doing. From this, we understood mind cannot do two things simultaneously. As Karthikeyanji said, Think either positive or negative. The chance is the ball is in your court. Why do you think negatively? Think positively. Okay, that is the chance. And all of you keep your hands like this. All of you, those who have hands. Yes, very good. Let us check the attention quotient. Yes, I count 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I say 5, you should clap. Okay, right. Yes, Kartikeyanji. Yeah, you graced our anti-aging conference. We are very, very grateful to you. And so many doctors got benefited by your presence. You inspired the people on the day, and you came to our conferences many times, and you were the center of attraction in those days. We were very, very, because sir, actually we selected sir for the president of AFI, that is Anti-Aging Association Federation of India. So sir graced on that, and Formaxil people, Appaji was the secretary at that time. We are very, very happy. And yes, I count 1 to 5. You have to clap when I say 5. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. I said you had to clap for 5, but you clapped for only 4.
Because I was seeing
What does it
you.
mean? What does it mean? So people always follow the action, because I said with the words 5, but action is at 4. So today I want to share, as sir said, Goenka Vipassana. I developed a very simple technique which is not more than 3 minutes, but it gives immense joy. That is called Ananda Vipashyati. Vipashyati means
Ananda Vipashyati.
witnessing with smile. People always say, have a smile on the face. As an anti-aging specialist, I say, you will develop after this inspiring smile, not income tax paying face. People always have income tax paying face, but after this, it will be very smiley face. And the skin starts glowing, very, very glowing, childlike, youthful dynamism, and ageless wisdom also will flow very simply. We'll do for only 2 minutes in the presence of our Kartikeyanji, just to have a break. After that, you can continue, Sudhaji. Yes, all of you keep your hands like this. Keep your hands. This is also said by Mahavatar Babaji for longevity. If you continue for 10 to 15 minutes, you will really enjoy the show. But today, because of time, 3 minutes. That is 4 times.
I can see your hand.
5th one is long breathing. Yes, this is 1 cycle. We'll do only 10 cycles.
I can't see your hand.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Okay. Have smile on the face. Have smile on the face with closed eyes. Yes. Let us all do with closed eyes. Having smile on the face. 4 times short breaths. 5th long breaths. Yes. 4 times short breaths. Body, mind, intellect, and soul. 5th one is your super self. 4 times short breaths. 5th long breaths. 4 one is 1 cycle. With each breath, the smile on your face is increasing. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Very good. You're all doing very well. 1 minute is over. Another 2 minutes. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Long breaths for longevity. Yes, 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. 5 cycles over. Last 5 cycles. For your own pure smile, glowing skin, youthful energy and dynamism. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Very good. 7 cycles over. Last 3 cycles. If anything is done for 21 cycles, it becomes a habit. We all know. Have smile on the face. Observe your normal breaths for last 1 minute. How the breath is going in and coming out. Yes, very good. Observe with smile. No need to focus or concentrate. Witness with smile how the breath is going in and coming out. Last 30 seconds. As you are witnessing your breath with smile, the smile on the face is increasing. You can rest your hands on your thighs or in clasping foot posture. Last 30 seconds. The smile is increasing with each breath, spreading all over the face. Final 15 seconds. Into every cell of you, every part of you is smiling. Yes, very good. From head to toe, the smiles are spreading, filling every system, every organ, every cell. Last 10 seconds. Now, if you have any pain in your body, fill that area with soulful smiles. As you're filling, spreading these smiles, the pain, the so-called pain, starts mitigating. Just to spend some time with the area of pain, discomfort, fill that area with smiles. As you're doing so, the pain is gradually mitigating and you are spreading these smiles, soulful smiles around you. Last 10 seconds. As you are spreading these smiles, your whole body is becoming very, very light, very, very energetic, peaceful. Spreading these soulful smiles into your room, into the place. Yes, whole family is smiling because of you. Last 5 seconds. Spreading your city, state, nation, whole globe is smiling because of you. Last 5 seconds. You are spreading these soulful smiles into the workplace, into the city, into the state, whole globe. You are spreading gradually, filling the stars, sky, whole cosmos is smiling because of you. Be in that state. Whole body full of energy, positivity, peace, power, magnificence. In that state of expansion, life is nothing but expansion. You are blessing your body. In this expanded state of consciousness of spreading soulful smiles, bless your body with good health. Bless your mind to have sankalpas, right thoughts for higher manifestation. Bless your family members, your kids, your well-wishers, your blessing from this expanded state of consciousness of soulful smiles. Bless your nation. Bless our Bharat, India. Everyone is smiling because of you. Everyone is happy because of your energy, vibrance, light, love. Yes, slowly, slowly. Bring this energy, expanded consciousness from the top of your head, filling top of your head, Sahasrara. Filling your third eye, it's glowing. Flowing through the spine, filling your heart chakra. All the chakras are glowing. You love your body. You love your emotions. You love the place where you are. You are surrounded by a wonderful aura of protection. Wherever you are, you will be at peace, joy, power, purity, energy, enthusiasm. Whenever you are ready, slowly, slowly keep palms your eyes and slowly, slowly open your eyes. Yes, wonderful, wonderful, sir. Your presence added the fragrance.
Thank you. Thank you.
How is your experience, Sudha?
Beautiful.
How are you feeling?
Feeling very light, and the clearness of water is in my eyes. That
Wow.
something is looking of that. And feeling very light. I'm feeling that I'm feeling energetic, more energetic. Freshness. In simple
Great.
word, I want to tell is freshness.
Yes, yes. Karthikeyanji, Karthikeyanji,
Wonderful. Very good.
excellent. Great, great. This is nothing but soul spreading of soulful smiles. We all know smile is at the face, bliss is our soul. So when you start improving your soulful smiles on the face, spreading all over the body, that means you are the creator of your own life. And at one spectrum smile is there, at the other spectrum bliss is there. That's why I say the smile can connect to the bliss. Bliss is everywhere. You must have eye to see, heart to feel, and hands to share. We are all blissful beings. So, and I said, look into the pain with a smile. Gradually, what happens if you are looking the pain with smile, the pain starts mitigating because this is nothing but lack of attention of you. So when you pay attention, it will convert into the bliss. That's why it is said, the door for the divine is the disease. Rightly said, sir said, no need to use any medicine, no need to depend on the doctors. If you depend on yourself, because body and mind are interlinked, even diabetes also comes to the people, those who live either in the past or in the future, neglecting the sweetness of the present moment. Such people, they will lose the chance to eat the sweets because they don't live in the present moment. When sir is doing meditation, connected to the present moment, so diabetes disease disappears. And heart disease is more common in the people, those who won't share. They always keep everything inside, such people. And joint problems comes to the people, those who are very, very rigid. Cancer comes to the people, prolonged resentment. Those who, no, I should not do this one. Always hating themselves. And aging is also common in the people, those who don't want to see the world. Cataract comes. I have seen enough, not necessary. Then they will get cataract. Why? While aging, people will get impairing of the hearing. They don't want to hear anything. Sir is so, if you see, sir is very glowing, very, very bubbling. At the age of the 81 is a perfect example for our anti-aging. See, it is not the gray hair. It is even, see, this speaks about wisdom. And indigestion, as we age comes because they don't want to digest other people's ideas. Why constipation comes? They don't want to let go. That's why they always hold all the unnecessary baggage, constipation. Why they get knee pains? Because they say that I have seen enough, no need to travel. Since sir is traveling, when body is used properly, that's why use it, or otherwise we lose it. So meditation, spirituality, awakening of the self, all tells you use your life totally. Yes, Sudhaji. Just to relax, sir, because we are not providing any coffee, sir, because we are virtual. Otherwise, we have treated you. Okay. Yes, ma.
Enjoy your hospital. Enjoy your hospitality. Now, incidentally, when I do one of your courses, let me know. I would like to listen to you longer.
Yes, sir. Anti-aging, I treat 5 elements because body is made up of 5 elements. Each element will help you to connect to the God, divine. If I do element with element earth, by covering you, totally covering in the sand, when you start breathing or observing the breath, mother starts supporting you, mother starts healing you. And we all know the body is made up of the muscles and bones are made up of the earth element. So you can rejuvenate. This process of anti-aging is to relax, to refresh, to realign, and to rejuvenate. See, earth element wonderfully works. It is totally 7 techniques are there. We'll share with you, sir, one day. Very, very beautiful. Even Veena attended. And second thing is the water. Water is flexibility. I'll do this thing under the water with snorkel. Very beautiful because in the mother womb we stayed for a period of 9 months. See, we suddenly came out, but when you go that experience and you will feel you are totally secured. That soul consciousness you can attain. I say The elements are nothing but direct door to the divine. So we don't know how the God is, but we are seeing the nature. Most of the people are destroying the nature. If they understand the efficacy, greatness of the nature through these five elements, they protect the nature. Not only the nature of one's own self, nature where they are surrounded. And water, third thing is with fire. We'll do dance and we'll do a lot of things. Fire has the ability to burn all the unnecessary things. It can burn either paper or person. So they will rejuvenate every cell. As if see, gold is there. If you keep in the fire, it will glow. In the same way, fire element oneness meditation and space element meditation, air, these are the wonderful techniques, sir, I teach, and people not more than 3 days, people can master. They can understand how the creation happened. They can work on the pains. They can work on fears. While doing so, they release all this unconscious death urge. People always say, Baba, I'm fed up. Wife, same children, same work. No, after doing the session, we'll see everything fresh husband, fresh children, fresh work. That anti-aging nature, it will come. It is not more than 3 days, sir. 5 hours usually we do, but we have made it to 2 hours. In 3 days, people are getting wonderful results because of the virtual session, sir. I take the people into the future. I think Veena has seen the future, and Sudha Jain also has seen the future. Many people, for example, I'll tell you. One lady came to me, sir, I am fond, see, 4 boyfriends are there for me. Whom should I marry? One will take care of my expenses. One will help me to read. One will romance very, very effectively. So I want to marry all the people, but my parents are not allowing it. So, and also I'm not reading. I took her into the future. After coming out of the session, she said, "Thank you, Dr. Hari. I came to know that my husband is different. All these are only friends. I'm wasting my life. Let me focus on my study. Anyhow, I am having best husband in the future. So I should not take them as husbands or lovers. They are only my friends." And second one came with suicidal tendencies, repeated suicidal tendency. I took into the future. He said, after coming out of this, "Thank you very much, doctor." Why? Because my father always insists me to do engineering, but I'm interested in polytechnic. But I committed 5 times suicides. When I saw my future, I resolved my thought of committing suicide. Why? Because I am living up to 72 years with a beautiful wife. With Polytechnic, I helped many people to grow. I have a mansion. And for the beautiful wife's sake, I should leave. No committing of the suicide. In this way, future life progression, and I motivate the people with the cancers, and I'll make them to see the vision, the life vision, life purpose, like that. And I train the people of past life regression and past life therapist trainings. Mostly I focus on anti-aging because my job is to train the doctors, because this doctor has helped many people to lakhs of the people to go into the spiritual path. That's why I teach the medical fraternity, doctors, nurses, paramedics, pharmacy people. So in that way, we are all doing our work, sir, because you people are connecting all the masters. And if one doctor is changed, see, society is spoiled not by the bad people. Society is spoiled by the silence of the good people. So intellectual people, the doctors are telling only about the physical health. My job is to make the people to aware of the spiritual health. Spiritual health is the root, physical health is the fruit.
I agree with you.
Thank you. You made me to speak after a long time. In your presence, speaking is also divine. Huh?
Yes,
Wonderful. Yes, Sudhaji.
Yes, sir. You said this thing. Yes, I am the witness of that future session through that virtual workshop, and I just noticed that you're after completing so many sessions, so many surgery in a day, then also you are like so energetic, so electrifying, and I think right now this Karthikeyan sir said that yes, being into this much of a tough case, then also traveling, and then also there is no fear in the mind. So this kind of thing is all through with meditation, all through with to recognizing their soul. But for common people who are into a different field, like uh, lawyers or glamour field or something, they need one master to guide them this thing that yes, there is a blissful thing, there is a spirituality, and is in within in you only. Just take it out, because I noticed one thing, Dr. Hari, in your session, that you always, make people to speak out, just speak out, and especially for the woman. What kind of things you are thinking? What kind of feeling after that session? I remember that onion one session, which is like a very remarkable thing on my life actually. You just said that you just peel out that one by one cell, and whoever you don't want in your life, whatever the negativity in your life. Just now Katin said that there is harmful for yourself only if you are taking some hatred things or negativity in your life. So this is something which I got to know, that after 10 second I'm not peeling out any a single peel from that onion. I'm thinking that nothing is hatred thing in my life. What should I do? Then once you guide me that, okay, what you want to take it out from the society, that negativity thing, and I started doing. So you give me a goal to work for the people, you give me a goal to what I want to do actually.